Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can post on Instagram without cropping the photo. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that you have the Instagram app downloaded on your device. Now, once you make sure of those things, open up the Instagram app. After the home page of Instagram opens up on your screen, click on the plus option on the middle and bottom of your screen. After you click on the plus option, you'll be guided to another page. Now you can choose from your gallery which picture you want to post. Once you choose a picture, it will be shown to you in a sort of a cropped manner. Now, to uncrop it and post it as the original picture, just click on this widen button on the left side of your screen. Now, all you have to do is click on this arrow button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the arrow button again, post a caption and click on the tick button. Once you click on the tick button and if you have followed these steps correctly, you'll be able to post on Instagram without cropping the photo. I hope this video helped you to post on Instagram without cropping the photo. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.